Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best sewing machines of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best sewing machines of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine is the perfect blend of simplicity, versatility, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced sewists alike. Designed with convenience in mind, this lightweight yet full-featured machine offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches to handle a wide variety of everyday sewing tasks. Whether you're hemming garments, crafting home decor, or creating DIY projects, the XM2701 delivers consistent, professional-looking results. This user-friendly machine features an easy stitch selector dial, automatic needle threader, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system for smooth, hassle-free setup. The included free arm makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs simple and precise. With 6 included sewing feet, buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing, you'll have the right tool for every project right out of the box. Compact and portable, the Brother XM2701 is ideal for small spaces, classes, or travel, offering dependable performance without overwhelming complexity. Number 2. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine in sleek gray is designed for speed, strength, and reliability. Powered by a strong motor, it delivers enhanced piercing power, making it ideal for sewing heavy fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather, as well as lightweight materials. Its full metal frame ensures stability and long-lasting durability, even during high-speed stitching projects. With 97 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, this machine offers versatility for garments, home decor, crafts, and more. The convenient one-step buttonhole feature creates consistent, professional-looking buttonholes every time. An automatic needle threader and easy stitch selection dial make setup simple and efficient. The built-in LED light brightly illuminates your workspace for precise stitching, reducing eye strain. Included with the machine is a comprehensive accessory kit featuring multiple presser feet, bobbins, needles, and essential tools, everything you need to start sewing right away. Whether you're a beginner or experienced sewer, this heavy-duty machine delivers dependable performance and creative flexibility. Number 3. The Janome Arctic Crystal easy-to-use sewing machine in vibrant turquoise is the perfect companion for beginners ready to explore the world of sewing. Designed with simplicity and durability in mind, this machine features a sturdy interior metal frame that ensures long-lasting stability and smooth operation. Whether you're hemming jeans, crafting home decor, or creating your first handmade garments, the Arctic Crystal makes every project approachable and enjoyable. Clear, easy-to-follow bobbin diagrams are conveniently printed on the machine, helping new users thread correctly and confidently. Paired with helpful tutorial videos, beginners can quickly learn essential techniques and start sewing right away. The machine offers multiple built-in stitches, simple stitch selection, and adjustable stitch length, giving you versatility without overwhelming complexity. Lightweight yet dependable, the Janome Arctic Crystal is easy to move and store, making it ideal for small spaces, dorm rooms, or creative corners at home. With its stylish turquoise finish and beginner-friendly features, this sewing machine turns inspiration into beautifully stitched reality. Number 4. The Brother ST371 HD sewing machine is built for makers who need power, precision, and versatility in one reliable machine. Designed with a strong metal needle plate and heavy-duty metal frame, this machine easily handles thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and multiple layers, making it perfect for tough sewing projects and everyday repairs. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and auto-size buttonhole options, the Brother ST371 HD gives you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of creative designs. The easy stitch selector dial allows you to switch patterns quickly, while the automatic needle threader saves time and reduces eye strain. The convenient free arm option makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant hems simple and precise. This machine also includes 6 versatile sewing feet, expanding your project possibilities right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, the Brother ST371 HD delivers strong performance, smooth operation, and dependable results for all your sewing needs. Number 5. The Singer Corporation Singer M3330 Navy Blue Sewing Machine is designed to bring creativity and convenience together in one stylish, reliable package. Featuring 23 built-in stitches that deliver an impressive 97 stitch applications, this versatile machine makes it easy to handle everything from basic repairs to decorative projects. Whether you're hemming garments, crafting home decor, or exploring DIY fashion, the M3330 provides the flexibility you need. The one-step buttonhole function ensures perfectly sized buttonholes every time, eliminating guesswork and saving valuable time. Its free arm design allows you to sew cuffs, collars, and pant hems with precision and ease. An integrated LED light brightly illuminates your workspace, providing clear visibility for detailed stitching without eye strain. The included accessory kit equips you with essential tools to get started right away, making it ideal for beginners and experienced sewists alike. With its durable construction and smooth performance, the Singer M3330 Navy Blue Sewing Machine delivers dependable results for every creative project.